How to remove courses in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the course. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the right top, there's a small settings icon. Tap on settings. So here we in this settings interface. Here on the fourth option, there is courses. Tap on courses. So here these are the courses that I have enrolled. Now you can see this remove button. Simply tap on remove and tap on remove again. So as you can see, the course has been completely gone. Now you can add other courses or you can just leave it like that. At last, tap on done and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.